Coming up on Yaadiestylecooking Meatless Monday is my fried tofu and coconut curry sauce. Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of Meatless Monday. In today's episode, I'll be making some fried tofu and coconut curry sauce. So right here I have my tofu that has been sliced. And I have here some coconut milk, to which I'll be seasoning. So right here now I have some garlic, scotch bonnet and thyme leaves. So I'm adding this to the coconut sauce here to add some flavor to it. Adding about a teaspoon of salt. Adding a teaspoon of my green seasoning as well. The green seasoning video will be linked in the description box below. So I'm going to give it a good stir here to get all the flavors incorporated. And right now I'll be placing the tofu down in the coconut milk here for it to absorb some of that flavor there. They're now all in, so I'm going to cover this and put this to the side. So I'm now starting on the crust for the tofu. So what I have here, I have some cornflakes that I crush, and now I'm just placing the tofu down in that cornflakes there and pressing the cornflakes on the tofu. One of my tofu slices break apart, but I'm still gonna work with it. I'm gonna push this aside. Remember that the leftover coconut milk here, this is what I'm going to use to make the coconut curry sauce. So we're gonna move on to doing that now. Starting on the curry sauce now. So to the pot here, I'm adding about a tablespoon of coconut oil. To the pot now, I'm adding Irish, onion and carrot. And we're going to saute these for about 2 minutes. I'm just making some space here. And to that now I'm adding my curry powder, which I'm going to burn off. Adding a sprig of thyme. Adding some chopped garlic and scotch bonnet pepper. Adding about a teaspoon of salt here. Adding chopped tomatoes. So this coconut milk here now that from earlier, I'm now adding to this pot of lusciousness here. And this is going to have tons of flavor in it, because remember I added green seasoning to it and garlic and pepper, and so I'm adding that to it. In my kitchen here smells heavenly. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to cover this and allow this to simmer on medium flame for about 15 minutes. With a quick check and to taste if it needs anything more. Needs a little sugar. I forget to add some sugar to it, so I'm going to do so now. Adding about a teaspoon of sugar. it and allow it to simmer for another 5 minutes. So this is what it's looking like. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to allow this to cool off and then we'll move on to what we're going to be doing to it next. So it's cool now, so I transfer it to the blender here. So I'm going to blend it up. Here is what it's looking like. So I'm going to put it back to the pot and put it on the stove to heat up. Moving this over to the stove. Just giving it a quick stir there. And look at that beautiful coconut curry sauce there, guys. So beautiful. We're going to give it a quick taste there. And it needs nothing. It's perfect. That's it for a beautiful sauce here. So we're going to move over and start frying our tofu. I'm now ready to start on the tofu. So here now we have our crusted tofu that we're adding to the pot here. We're going to fry them up. I fried the tofu for about 2 minutes on each side. And this is what it's looking like. Look at that beautiful sauce there that I'm going to be drizzling down on my fried tofu and right beside my seasoned rice there. Here you have it, guys, my fried tofu and coconut curry sauce served with some garlic, stir-fried broccoli and carrot, seasoned rice and some fried plantain. Thank you so very much for watching. Please remember to like, comment and subscribe. See you on my next video, guys.